What's going on, everybody? I greatly apologize for not having a video posted last week. We were in the middle of coming up from Florida back up to New Jersey. We are home now. I need your help. So let me show you what we got going on. So while I was in Florida at Kenny's, I noticed in Florida that my oil cooler, it is an 8-pass running. Oh, I don't know. They're AN10s, so whatever size hose that is, I'm not sure. I think it's half-inch. Can't swear to that, but I believe it's half-inch. So the question I have is, the car was getting up to, 220, 225, and I actually had to pull off the interstate. I had made a trip from Tampa to Fort Myers, and she got pretty hot. So I had to pull over a few times. So while I was at Kenny's, I kind of went through the trash bin, and I picked up a couple of, AC condensers. Now, this one is an 18-pass, which I think will work because all of this, I believe, is 3/8, maybe half-inch outside. And I know this would work. The issue I'm having is it's bulky. Kenny said I should use this one. He thinks this one is it will work better. I'm not really sure. I mean, I don't want to doubt the man, but this one would definitely be an easier mount. It's my AN8 fittings do fit, so I will need to get adapters if I use this one. So my question is, which one do I go with? Obviously, there's a lot of work to be done to these. This one, I'll have to find some sweat barbed fittings for the half-inch. I think I can find them, maybe not. Worst case scenario, I do have a flaring tool and I'll just flare the end. So that's kind of an easy fix, right, for this one. This one here, I believe this is an AN8 and I think this is an AN6. Now that small restriction, I don't know if that's going to be an issue. They kind of look the same right now until you put the fitting on them, but this AN8 definitely, it goes right on there, which would be really cool. The ease of mounting would be nice. But I would have to upgrade these to AN10s on both. You'll notice this one does not fit on there quite as well. They are different. So I guess my question is, which one do you think I should go with? Either way, they're going to get mounted up top, so they're not so close to the roof. They will be up top. So it's out in the open air, collecting more air flow. So these are my options. I could just take that one, raise it up, but I feel this one would definitely work. I believe this one would work as well. My concern is the small restriction on the AN6 fitting causing my oil pressure to spike. She already runs at 60, 65 PSI at 3 grand. And I do a lot of interstate driving with this thing. And that's right about 3 grand is about 70 miles an hour, give or take. So let me know in the comments what you guys feel would be the best route to go. I know I've got a lot of brilliant subscribers, and sometimes I don't feel so brilliant. But anyway, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. I appreciate you watching, and I greatly appreciate the interaction with your comments. So thank you very much. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the flip side.